Hello everyone! Is your car struggling to shift gears or refusing to start? If your OBD2 scanner shows P0706, transmission range sensor TRS, circuit range performance problem, this means your car's PCM, Powertrain Control Module, is receiving an incorrect or inconsistent signal from the TRS. In this video, I'll explain what P0706 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the affected sensors and components. Let's dive in. The P0706 trouble code indicates that the transmission range sensor, TRS, is sending a signal that is out of the expected range. The TRS, also called the neutral safety switch, is responsible for detecting the gear position, PRNDL, and sending this information to the PCM. If the signal is incorrect or missing, the PCM may struggle to determine the correct gear. Warning: if this sensor malfunctions, your car may not start, experience shifting problems, or go into limp mode. Common symptoms of P0706: check engine light on car. Won't start or only starts in neutral transmission, stuck in one gear, limp mode, harsh or delayed shifting, incorrect gear display on dashboard, reduced fuel efficiency. If you experience any of these, let's locate the key components and diagnose the issue. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0706, check these key transmission and PCM related components. Transmission range sensor, TRS. Neutral safety switch. Location, mounted on the transmission, near the gear shift linkage or transmission valve body. Function, detects gear position and sends signals to the PCM, shifter assembly and gear selector. Cable location, between the gear shift lever and transmission. Function, ensures the correct gear position is transmitted to the TRS and PCM. PCM, Powertrain Control Module. Location, typically in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function, receives gear position signals and controls shifting. Wiring. Harness and connectors location, runs between the TRS, shifter assembly and PCM. Function, transmits electrical signals for gear selection. Fuse and relay box. Location, under the hood or dashboard. Function, supplies power to the TRS circuit. Common causes of P0706, faulty transmission range sensor, TRS. If the sensor is damaged or dirty, it may send incorrect signals. Corroded or loose TRS, connectors, water, dirt, or corrosion can disrupt the electrical connection. Broken or misaligned gear, selector cable. If the cable is stretched or disconnected, the sensor may not detect the correct gear. Blown fuse or faulty relay. A power issue can prevent the TRS from functioning properly. PCM software issues or failure, rare. The PCM may misinterpret signals from the TRS, causing shifting problems. How to fix P0706. Step 1. Check gear indicator on dashboard. If the displayed gear doesn't match the actual gear, the TRS or shifter cable may be faulty. Step 2. Inspect the transmission range sensor, TRS. Look for cracks, dirt, or corrosion on the sensor and its connector. Step 3. Test the TRS with a multimeter. If the voltage or resistance is outside manufacturer specifications, replace the sensor. Step 4. Check the shifter cable and linkage. Ensure the cable is not loose, stretched, or misaligned. Step 5. Inspect wiring and fuses. Look for blown fuses, damaged wires, or loose connectors. Step 6. Reset the PCM and test drive. After repairs, clear the code using an OBD-II scanner and test if the issue is resolved. Ignoring P0706 can lead to serious transmission issues, starting problems, or unexpected limp mode. Fixing it early can prevent expensive repairs. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0664. Intake manifold tuning valve control circuit low, bank 1. P0665. Intake manifold tuning valve control circuit low, bank 2. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.